In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format cells in Excel. First, launch Excel on your device. When Excel opens, you will see the Start screen with templates and a list of recent files. If you have used Excel before on this device, some recent workbooks may appear on the left side. If it opens straight into a blank workbook instead, that is fine. You can still follow along. Just make sure Excel is open and ready so we can move to your actual file in the next step. Now, open your existing file. On the Start screen, you will see your recent workbooks listed by name, along with their locations. Click the file you want to format. If you do not see it in the list, you can use the Browse option and navigate to the folder where it is saved. When the file loads, you should see your worksheet grid with columns labeled with letters and rows labeled with numbers. Take a moment to locate the cells whose appearance or layout you want to change. Next up, right-click the selected cells and choose Format Cells. Start by dragging over the cells you want to format so they are highlighted. Then right-click anywhere inside that highlighted area. A context menu will open beside your cursor. From that menu, choose Format Cells. After you click it, a separate window will open in front of your worksheet. A common beginner mistake is right-clicking the column letter or row number instead of the cells themselves, which opens a different set of options, so always click inside the data area. With that ready, look at the Format Cells dialog window. It is organized into 6 tabs along the top. These are number, alignment, font, border, fill, and protection. Each tab controls a different aspect of how your cells look or behave. Number controls how values such as dates, currency, or decimals are displayed. Alignment controls text position such as left, center, or right, and text rotation. Font handles the typeface, style, size, and color. Border lets you add or remove grid lines around the cells. Fill sets the background color or pattern. Protection is about whether cells can be edited when a sheet is protected, though it does nothing until sheet protection is turned on elsewhere. After that, click one tab and browse the category for additional options. Inside the Number tab, for example, you will see categories such as General, Number, Currency, Date, and more on the left side. Depending on the category you select, options appear on the right, like decimal places or how negative numbers display. In other tabs, you will see lists, checkboxes, or color pickers instead. Take a moment to adjust the options you need, such as choosing a date format or picking a bold font. When you are happy, click OK to apply. You will see the selected cells in your worksheet update immediately with the new formatting. You have now learned how to format cells in Excel using the Format Cells window to control number styles, alignment, fonts, borders, fills, and protection settings. If this helped you get your sheet looking cleaner, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Excel tips.